Meanwhile, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is putting greater focus on addressing domestic violence with more infrastructural and procedural changes at police station. Details in this report. For Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson, the police are grappling with two main categories of murders that are fueling Jamaica's high homicide rate. First up, gang conflicts, to include persons involved in scamming, fighting over ill-gotten gains.
The other thing we have is interpersonal violence, and that tends to be more of a feature here than the sort of gang violence we'll see in other parts of the country. So the interpersonal, the inability to deal with conflict.
Again, he noted that this issue is more difficult to police, as most times the authorities don't know of the conflict until someone is harmed or killed. It's why the Commissioner and the Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, say new police stations are being built to better accommodate reports of domestic violence and pursue conflict resolution. They were speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for a new station in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth.
The stations will have the appropriate facilities, interview rooms with some privacy, areas for, in the big station, we are establishing domestic violence centers, so you can take it to a further level. The Commissioner has been very aggressive at that, so those who are experiencing domestic violence in the family can go to a place where they can talk to someone, and he has ensured officers are sensitized to be able to discuss such sensitive challenges.
The police have linked the murder of a mother and her 4 children in Clarendon on Tuesday to domestic violence.
Now we've put in a domestic violence center. This is one of the 10 around the country. It's right here in Santa Cruz, down the road, and so people can avail themselves of it. But most importantly, if you start to see the conflict within the community, even within the household, let the police know. They may be able to do an intervention.
The Lacovia police station was damaged during Hurricane Ivan 18 years ago. Since then, the officers have been operating out of an adjacent building on the same compound. The new facility will be built at a cost of $175 million.